Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about here, you can join us on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button. Specifically, if you like what Akash and I are discussing, you can follow Akash on Twitter at Manyeko and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Bitcoin here, pretty not a ton to go over. The pullback, I mean, we're only down at the current time of recording, only down roughly 10% from the all-time highs that were established on October 20th. The optics bands came down a lot and are no longer at the upper extremes, so they're in a good position to continue higher. The composite index is flattened out lower as well, printing some hidden bullish divergence, signaling a continuation move higher. And the RSI came down to the 50 level to find some likely support. Still facing some short-term rejection here against that tank and send, but this bull flag that's developing is a bullish continuation pattern and is a sign that we are going to move higher again here soon. And that is best reflected on the $1,000 three-box reversal chart with the possible setup of a bear trap where you have this double bottom followed by two O's below. If this next column of X's moves to the entry at 67K, that will confirm the bearish fake out setup, and that theoretical short-term trade would be at entry at 67K, a stop at 64 to 63K, and a target at 75K. That does it for me on Bitcoin, keeping it short and sweet on this Friday. Do you see, Akash? Oh, I actually should say real quick that the long side of this is invalidated if a new column of O's develops and it pushes down to 56K. Otherwise, everything's still good for the long continuation, but below 56K and below, the long side of it's invalidated.
Cool. For me, it's kind of a little different. I'm kind of in the opposite side of what you're looking at. Although I am just now noticing this descending parallel channel, which could also be a bull flag, right? So for me, this is demand zone here on a daily time frame, ranging from 64,323 to 66,058. And right now we have this. This is the supply zone. This is the demand zone here, ranging from 56,629 to 58,587. So what happened here and this wick down is that it went into the daily supply zone and got saw a nice reaction off of it, and I was going higher. But if I want Bitcoin to continue going higher, probably retest the center of this supply zone here, which comes around 65,200. I would want Bitcoin to produce a daily close above daily close, not even daily close, probably a 6-hour close above $62,000 would be like a good start. In this case, I would flip a little bullish, and then I would be completely bullish if Bitcoin produces a close above 65,200, right? But currently, I am leaning bearish, and I'm waiting for a close below the 60,000 level here. And once it does that, I am also looking at these two levels here, 55,347. Let me just shift back to the daily time frame. As you can see here, there's a lot of liquidity that's not collected down here below these wicks. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to head down to 53,000. Just below 55K would also be fine before it actually goes higher and produces a new all-time high at either 77, 78K or 101K. So this is my technical analysis views. And the reason I'm also leaning a little bullish, bearish, is the 365 MVRV is still at 37%, which is extremely high. And apart from that, just move this. Yep, as you can see, the funding rate for Bitcoin is easily above 0.2% on a lot of exchanges, which is extremely high, except for Huobi and FTX. So this is another reason why I'm kind of leaning a little bearish, and also for the OI, right? It's around the same level as we saw during the all-time high. So these are the two things I'm kind of watching, and I'm cautiously optimistic on Bitcoin, but I'm still looking to short Bitcoin. So let's see how it goes.
All right. So you're more on the bear side, and I'm on the bullish side, but I'm not like a raging bull. I'm only looking at a upside potential at 75K. So yeah, neither one of us is a moon boy right now, so that's good. Okay, well that does
Yeah.
it for us on Bitcoin. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.